If you are in a school or you are about to graduate and you will be heading into the job market, then here's the truth. The job market that you are heading into is nothing like your parents knew. The World Economic Forum has just dropped Future of the Jobs Report 2025, and it's basically a map of what's coming in future. Over 23% of the jobs will change in the next 5 years. Some will disappear and some will look completely different, and the skills that you are learning right now may be outdated. This isn't hype. This is the data from 800 companies from all over the world, real employers, real industries, and real change. And here's the twist. While automation, AI, ML are expected to replace 26 million of jobs, they will also be creating 69 million new ones. This video can actually shape the next decade of your life, so watch till the end. So let's kick off with the 10 fastest growing jobs and how it can help you. Number first is AI and ML specialist. Right from self-driving cars to TikTok algorithm, AI is everywhere. So the companies need people who can build, train, and improve these systems constantly. And the average starting salary can be from $100,000 a year. The next is sustainability specialist. Green is no longer just a word, but it's a business now. As the climate pressure builds, companies are looking for people who can actually make the operations go eco-friendly. Next is business intelligence analyst. Data is the new oil, but the raw data is useless without the insights. Business intelligence analyst turns numbers into strategies and help companies make better decisions. And the job growth is increasing from healthcare to the retail industry. Next is information security analyst. While the AI is rising, we all know that the cyber attacks are also increasing at the same time. Hackers are getting smarter, so companies need people who can actually outsmart them. And the demand is up across government, healthcare, finance, and more industries. Next is fintech engineers. The traditional banking system is dying and it's also very boring at the same time. Digital wallets, Apple wallets, crypto, and AI finance are the tools for the future. So if you understand money and code, then you are golden in this field. Next is robotics engineers. Robots aren't coming, they are already here. If you have seen Elon Musk's video, he's already up to building, and he has actually built a couple of robots that are actually working in the healthcare system. Factories like Amazon, Flipkart, and all. So basically, robots are doing more and they need creators like us to maintain them. And their demand is more in manufacturing, agriculture, and healthcare. Next is digital transformation specialist. There are so many old school companies that are trying to come on digital platforms, but due to lack of digital platform knowledge, they are not able to do it. So the digital transformation specialist actually help these companies to come online and build their presence. Next is e-commerce and digital marketing specialist. It's not going to come, it's already here. If there is any product that can be sold online, it is going to be on e-commerce. And if any product can be advertised, it's going to be on the digital platforms. So from SEO to influencers, this is for the Gen Z's playground. Next is data analyst and scientists. Data is everywhere and with all the companies. So companies need people who can actually read the data and get the best insights from it. Last is agriculture equipment operators. Are you surprised to hear this name? Because smart farming is booming and so is the need of agriculture equipment operators. Now here's the flip side, the jobs that will completely disappear or are slowly disappearing. First is bank tellers or clerks, second is cashier, third is postal service clerk, fourth is data entry clerks, fifth is administration secretaries, sixth is assembly and factory workers, seventh is telemarketers, 8th is accounting and bookkeeping clerks, 9th is printing machine operators, and 10th is customer service agents. Now the skills you need to stay relevant, these skills I have pulled out from the Future of Jobs Report 2025. But I will keep it simple and clear so that you students can think about it and decide that what skills are relevant to you and you should learn or not. Number first skill is analytical thinking, and this is the number one skill that is required in each and every job. It means you should be able to break down the problems, spot patterns, and make the smart decision, even with the messiest data as well. Next is creative thinking, but not the one with the drawing and designing, but it requires real world creativity, like new ideas, out of the box ideas. So basically, you should be able to come with something like no one else has. Third is AI and big data literacy. You don't have to be an AI engineer, but you should definitely know how AI is working, and you should also be smart enough to how to use AI to maximize your productivity. And if you can talk about AI without seeing like you are lost, then you are already ahead in this game. Next is tech fluency. From using new tools to adapting to the new platforms like CRM softwares, ability to learn technology and navigate how to use them is a must skill. Next is resilience, flexibility, and agility. Jobs will change, team will change, tools will shift. So you need to be prepared to adapt to all of these things. Next is motivation and curiosity. If you are someone who likes to do self learning, then you are already ahead in this game. If you decide to learn one new tool every day, at the end of the year, you are going to be the smartest with the comparison of the people who have actually studied the technology. One time learning is not an option anymore. Next is leadership and social influence. Number 8 is systems thinking. Understand how the things connect, how the companies runs its operations, understand how the supply chain works, understand how the tech helps in the business, how it can affect a business as well. Next is empathy and emotional intelligence. This is actually a subject in your MBA. If you do an MBA regular, global, or international, of course, you won't be studying this particular subject. But if you are going for an MBA from good universities, they actually teach you about empathy and emotional intelligence. Last is time management and prioritizing. It is basic but very much underrated. If you can manage your time, hit the deadlines, work independently, then you are way ahead of the curve. So, the bottom line is that it's not just about what you know, but how you think, how you analyze, how you react, how you learn, how you adapt, how you communicate. The world of work is changing fast. So, if you learn these skills, you won't just be able to survive, but you will actually be able to lead the jobs. Share this with someone who needs to know about this. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.